Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Alright, my girls, so today I'm going to give you guys a pink soft glam makeup tutorial, okay? Whether you're doing this for your birthday, you just want to learn how to blend these type of shades together, Valentine's Day, it doesn't matter, baby. I'm going to show you how to beat your face. Like, that's what we do over here, okay? This glam is so freaking pretty, and I'm so glad I did it. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, first of all, I love you for that. If you're not, it's okay. You can redeem yourself right now. Okay. But if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you guys would know I kind of typically do more natural glams and more natural kind of vibes. So for this look, I was super excited that I decided to get out of my comfort zone, and it just reminded me like, oh, she know how to do her makeup. Okay, period. So this video is going to be for all levels of makeup lovers. Grab your palettes, grab your brushes, and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. All right, baby girls, so let's go ahead and jump right into our skin prep, okay? This is the most important, crucial step. This is gonna help with the longevity and how your makeup overall looks. So I'm pushing my hair back because it's about to get serious, and then I'm gonna moisturize my skin with the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream. Then for primer, I'm taking the NYX, the face glue. Love this primer down. I've been reaching for it a lot lately. Next on the docket, we have the foundation. Y'all know I love me some I Am Zoe TV, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this foundation. This is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in shade Tahoe, and I love this foundation. It literally gives me a perfect skin-like finish, but what's also aiding in that is the tool that I'm using. I'm using the Killer Cosmetics makeup brush. I have been using this makeup brush a lot lately. It is really that girl. For concealer, I'm gonna jump ahead and take my Tarte concealer. This concealer is very, very light, but we really want to highlight the face. To balance it out, I'm going to go ahead and take my contour stick. This is actually a foundation stick from Black Opal, and that's in shade Hazelnut, okay? So now you guys are going to just see me blending it out. I like to use tapping motions to blend out any creams on my face. It just helps give that skin-like finish. Now that we took our time blending everything out, it's giving very much skin, but now we're going to go ahead and set. So this is the One Size setting powder, and this is in shade Translucent. Before I set under my eyes, I like to blend it out one last time to prevent any cracks, crevices, or creasing. Then I go directly in with a powder puff, and I push that powder into the skin. So before we bake, I like to set first. What this is just going to make sure that our makeup is just locking in, and it's not going to be like smudging and just, you know, transferring all over the place. After I set my entire face with that setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and take excess powder, and now we're going to bake. While that's baking, we're going to jump into the blush. You know that this look is a very much pink. It's a pinky vibe, so you know it's only right that we do a nice little blush moment. I'm taking the Revolution by Roxi, well, Roxi by Revolution, and I use that as my blush. Now we're going to jump straight into the eyeshadow. I'm most excited for this. We're using the Remedy by already soft glam palette, and so excited, y'all, so excited. So as a base for my eyeshadow, I did go ahead and take the Tarte concealer, and it's a very light concealer, like I said, so it's gonna let the eyeshadows pop. But our first color, we're gonna be taking a medium brown shade, and we're gonna be putting that right above the crease with a fluffy brush. Okay, so to build the intensity of this eyeshadow, I'm using tapping motions, as you guys see, pushing it above my crease, and now I'm going to take circular motions to go ahead and diffuse this eyeshadow so we can get a nice blend. And next up, I'm going to take this deep dark brown shade, and we're going to put that directly in my crease. So what this is going to do is it's going to give us that dimension and kind of like this 3D effect. And I'm just taking back and forth motions as I pat it into my crease and just kind of like dig it into the crease by going back and forth. This is just going to smoke it out very well. Now on my lid, I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade. This is just really going to give us that pinky soft glam vibe that I'm going for. This shade is so gorgeous, and like I said, I like to use tapping motions to build up the eyeshadow intensity. Next up, I'm going to take this very light white cream shade, and I'm going to pop this in the inner corners of my eyes. It gives us a nice gradient effect and makes me look more alive, more awake, and like I got a full night's rest. Here, I'm taking this light pink shimmery shade and applying that all over the lid where we applied that hot pink shade to just make it come more alive. And this part is optional, but I'm going to take a hot pink shimmery shade, and at the tail end of the light pink shimmery shade, we're going to pack it on the lid as well, just so we can have more of a, you know, multiple dimension. Oh my god, I can't talk, but just more dimensions into the look. Okay, so for my eyeliner, I'm taking Prime Fish. This is from One Size, and this is actually a lip liner, but this is like a berry kind of shade, and I just feel like it was going to make the pinks in this look pop out a little bit more. So we're just smoking that out on my lash line and on my waterline. Next up, we're jumping into lips. So for my lip liner, I'm using the Kiss lip liner pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. I believe this shade is in chocolate, but it's going to be linked down below in the description box. We're going to go ahead and just line my lips, and as you see, I like to fold my lips, stretch them out, just do whatever shapes I need to do so I can follow my natural shape of my lip, but then I also like to overline a little bit. So Maybelline did go ahead and send me over this full collection, okay? This is their gloss lifter lip glosses, and I could not pick between which shade of pink that I wanted to go with, but I decided to go with this shade here. This is shade Silk, and it was really, really pretty. It's a little bit more on like the warm, cozier side of the pinks, which I still really did like that, but to elevate the look a little bit more, I decided to go back in with the Tarte. Girl, when I tell you Tarte has been saving the day, this Tarte has been used in 3 different ways, okay? But I'm putting that on the center of my lips to give you that gradient effect, okay? And as a final topper, I'm taking this dual lip gloss from One Size, and this is called Open Wide. This is like a glitter gloss shade, and I just popped that on my lips to just make it look more shiny and more juicy. And for my lashes, it is going to be linked down below in the description box. I love these lashes. They're from Amazon, and I swear by them. So now we're just dusting off my face, dusting off all the excess powder that we had baking. We're looking so good, but the final step is to set. So with the NYX, the face glue, I'm taking their setting spray and spraying my face down. As you see, this is a very wet, misty spray. This is going to help with the powders kind of drying down. Then I'm going to do my final set with the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. Okay, my love, so that's the end of today's video. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how to achieve this look. This is definitely V-Day inspired, definitely pinks and just really pretty. However, you could do this for your birthday. You could do this for, you know, just because you want. You're wearing pink this day, whatever the case may be. This look is literally just so freaking gorgeous. Like, yes, please. More. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment down below this right here. Okay, comment down below this right here. This is the secret code, the secret sauce. That's how I know you watch my videos all the way through. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. Like, girl, if you made it all the way here, that means you probably rock with me. So go ahead and join the team, girl. We're very welcoming here, okay? I love you guys so much. Don't forget to also follow me on my social networks. And yeah, I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.